Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Full English. Today, we are going to practice 20 everyday English dialogues that will help you improve your speaking skills. These dialogues are based on real-life situations like ordering food, asking for directions, shopping, and more. Here's how it works. Listen carefully to each dialogue. Repeat after me to practice your pronunciation. Try to imagine yourself in these situations. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident speaking English. So, let's get started.
Dialogue 1. Greetings and introductions. Person A. Hi, how are you? Person B. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Person A. I'm doing well. My name is Sarah. What's your name? Person B. Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm James. Practice exercise. Repeat this dialogue and try introducing yourself in English. Dialogue 2. Ordering at a restaurant. Waiter. Hello, welcome. Can I take your order? Customer. Yes, I'll have a cheeseburger and fries, please. Waiter. Would you like anything to drink? Customer. A glass of water, please. Waiter. Sure. Your order will be ready soon. Practice exercise. Imagine you're at a restaurant. What would you order? Dialogue 3. Asking for directions. Person A. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station? Person B. Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The station will be on your right. Person A. Thank you so much. Person B. You're welcome. Practice exercise. Repeat this dialogue and try asking for directions in English. Dialogue 4. Shopping for clothes. Shop assistant. Hello. Can I help you find something? Customer. Yes, I'm looking for a blue jacket. Shop assistant. We have some over here. What size do you need? Customer. Medium, please. Shop assistant. Here you go. Would you like to try it on? Practice exercise. Practice a shopping conversation with a friend or on your own. Dialogue 5. Making a phone call. Person A. Hello, this is John speaking. May I know who's calling? Person B. Hi, John. This is Anna. I'm calling about the meeting tomorrow. Person A. Oh, hi, Anna. Yes, the meeting is at 10 a.m. Person B. Great, thank you. Practice exercise. Imagine you're making a phone call. Practice introducing yourself. Dialogue 6. Talking about the weather. Person A. It's such a beautiful day today, isn't it? Person B. Yes, the sun is shining and it's so warm. Person A. I hope it stays like this all week. Person B. Me too. Perfect weather for a picnic. Practice exercise. Talk about the weather in your area. Is it sunny, rainy, or cold? Dialogue 7. Asking for help. Person A. Excuse me, can you help me carry this box? Person B. Of course. Let me take one side. Person A. Thank you so much. Person B. No problem. Happy to help. Practice exercise. Practice asking for help politely. Dialogue 8. Small talk with a stranger. Person A. Hi, is this seat taken? Person B. No, it's free. Please have a seat. Person A. Thanks. By the way, do you live around here? Person B. Yes, I live nearby. How about you? Person A. I'm just visiting for the weekend. Practice exercise. Try making small talk about your location. Dialogue 9. Visiting a doctor. Doctor. Good morning. What seems to be the problem? Patient. I've been feeling very tired lately. Doctor. I see. Have you been sleeping well? Patient. Not really. I wake up several times at night. Doctor. Let's run some tests to find out more. Practice exercise. Repeat the dialogue and imagine visiting a doctor. Dialogue 10. Booking a hotel room. Receptionist. Good evening. Welcome to Grand Hotel. How can I assist you? Guest. I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please. Receptionist. Sure. Do you prefer a single or double room? Guest. A double room, please. Receptionist. All right, your room is ready. Enjoy your stay. Practice exercise. Imagine you're booking a hotel room. Practice the phrases. Dialogue 11. Booking a flight. Agent. Good morning. How can I help you today? Passenger. I'd like to book a flight to New York, please. Agent. Sure. One way or round trip? Passenger. Round trip, please. I'd like to leave next Friday and return on Sunday. Agent. Got it. Do you have a seat preference? Passenger. Yes, I prefer a window seat. Agent. All set. Your flight is booked. Have a great trip. Practice exercise. Imagine you're booking a flight. What destination would you choose? Dialogue 12. Attending a job interview. Interviewer. Good afternoon. Thank you for coming. Can you tell me a little about yourself? Candidate. Sure. My name is Maria, and I recently graduated with a degree in marketing. I have experience working on social media campaigns. Interviewer. That's great. Why do you want to work at our company? Candidate. I admire your company's innovative approach, and I believe my skills would be a great fit for your team. Interviewer. Thank you, Maria. We'll be in touch soon. Practice exercise. Practice introducing yourself in a job interview scenario. Dialogue 13. Going to a party. Host. Hi. I'm so glad you could make it. Welcome. Guest. Thank you for inviting me. This is a lovely place. Host. I'm glad you like it. Help yourself to some snacks and drinks. Guest. Thanks. By the way, how do you know Mark? Host. We went to college together. What about you? Guest. I'm his co-worker. Practice exercise. Practice making small talk at a party or social event. Dialogue 14. Talking to a teacher. Student. Excuse me, Mrs. Smith. Can I ask you about today's homework? Teacher. Of course. What do you need help with? Student. I'm not sure I understand question 3. Teacher. Ah, that's a tricky one. Let me explain it to you. Student, thank you. That makes more sense now. Teacher, you're welcome. Don't hesitate to ask if you need more help. Practice exercise. Imagine you're asking your teacher a question. What would you say? Dialogue 15. Buying groceries. Cashier. Good afternoon. Did you find everything you were looking for? Customer. Yes, thank you. How much is everything? Cashier. That will be $25.50. Customer. Here's $30. Cashier. Thank you. Here's your change and receipt. Customer. Thanks. Have a great day. Practice exercise. Practice paying for groceries in English. Dialogue 16. Making an appointment. Receptionist. Good morning. How can I help you? Patient. I'd like to make an appointment to see the doctor. Receptionist. Sure. What's the reason for your visit? Patient. I've been having headaches lately. Receptionist. Okay, we have an opening tomorrow at 10 a.m. Does that work for you? Patient. Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. Practice exercise. Practice making an appointment for a doctor, dentist, or meeting. Dialogue 17. Returning an item. Shop assistant. Hi there. How can I help you today? Customer. I'd like to return this sweater. It doesn't fit. Shop assistant. No problem. Do you have the receipt? Customer. Yes, here it is. Shop assistant. Thank you. Would you like a refund or an exchange? Customer. A refund, please. Shop assistant. All set. Here's your refund. Have a great day. Practice exercise. Practice returning an item in a store. What would you say? Dialogue 18. Talking to a neighbor. Neighbor A. Hi. I don't think we've met before. I'm Karen, your neighbor. Neighbor B. Oh, hi, Karen. Nice to meet you. I'm Tom. Neighbor A. Nice to meet you too. How long have you lived here? Neighbor B. Just a few weeks. Everyone seems so friendly. Neighbor A. Welcome to the neighborhood. Let me know if you need anything. Practice exercise. Practice introducing yourself to a neighbor. Dialogue 19. Visiting a library. Librarian. Hello. How can I help you today? Visitor. Hi. I'm looking for books about history. Where can I find them? Librarian. They're on the second floor in section B. Visitor. Thank you. Also, how can I get a library card? Librarian. You can sign up at the front desk. It's quick and easy. Practice exercise. Imagine you're at a library. What would you ask? Dialogue 20. Checking into a hotel. Receptionist. Good evening. Welcome to the Royal Hotel. Do you have a reservation? Guest. Yes, I've booked a room under the name Michael Brown. Receptionist. Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation. You'll be staying for 2 nights, correct? Guest. That's right. Receptionist. Here's your room key. Have a pleasant stay. Practice exercise. Practice checking into a hotel. What details would you provide?
Congratulations! You've just practiced 20 real-life English dialogues. These scenarios will help you feel more confident in daily situations. Remember to practice them regularly and try to use them in real conversations. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to learn full English. See you in the next lesson.